got this glass of muddy water from a puddle and swirling it round, and you can see this is so dirty, so muddy, right? Just like our lives, full of activity, full of chaos, and everything that comes with it. Now, if I just let this water to sit, I'm keeping it on a table, and what is it that we are going to see? We'll observe that the water will clear itself. All the dirt will settle down. So it is stillness that will make the dirt to settle in the bottom and the water to become clear. One important thing that we also forget is that stillness is required by us also. We require stillness in order to gain clarity, just like this muddy glass of water. There's a growing human tendency to keep oneself occupied always. We either require a TV or a laptop or a mobile or an iPad. Something should be there in order to entertain us. We just can't spend some time with our own selves. We just can't. We are afraid. We are constantly seeking for distractions to entertain us so that we get some kind of relief from the unpleasant realities of life, from the responsibilities, from the challenges that the life has to offer. And interestingly, there is a term used for this. It's known as escapism. Escapism is a way to emotionally and mentally escape oneself from the challenges or the responsibilities. And that's what we are continuously doing. Escapism can provide a short-term comfort, but it does not address the underlying issue. It does not contribute to a long-term well-being. Stillness challenges us to face those issues head-on. And being the most productive is not about just doing and doing and doing. No, it's about doing the right things in the right order. It's about making clear-headed decisions and not just rushing and finishing and just completing. To be our most productive, we need to give ourselves the time to pause. We need to allow our thoughts to clear so that we can reflect and consider meaningfully. So, how can you start to find that stillness in your life? First of all, stop rushing from one task to another. Take that opportunity to pause. Pause between your tasks and your appointments. Pause when you transition from your work life to your personal life. Take a short break whenever you grab your cup of coffee or tea. Pause for no reason at all. Seriously, don't fill every spare minute with emails or social media or preparing for the next task or listening to podcasts or just cramming and bombarding your mind with more information and information and information. Instead, try to sit still and breathe. Stare out of the window. Just let the things to settle down. Let your muddy mind to clear. Let that dirt settle down. Here are some ways how I embrace stillness in my life. Number 1, mindful breathing. Just spare few minutes to sit and breathe mindfully. Just close your eyes, inhale deeply and feel your breath. Feel it. Do nothing. This allows your mind to actually just relax and settle down. Number 2, nature walk. Just spend some time with nature without any gadgets. Observe and feel the breeze. Check out the new leaves that are sprouting. Check how a flower blooms. Just connect with the nature, connect with the universe around you. Third, meditation. Set a time daily to meditate. It's not about having to spend too much of time to meditate. For the start, you can even start with as little as 5 minutes. You'll start to see the difference. Fourth, journaling. Just write down all that you are thinking. Write down all your thoughts and your feelings without any second thought, without any judgment. Just let it all flow down. You will see a different perspective to the situation that you are in. You will find to see the same thing with a better outlook. This will help you to process and clear your mind. And fifth, quiet time. Set aside a time where you will be sitting with yourself. No gadgets, no TV, no mobile, nothing. Only and only you. Just acknowledge your feelings and your thoughts. This is the time where you can actually improve your voice, your self-talk, and make it into an empowering voice that becomes your biggest cheerleader. I guarantee you'll become more productive and clear-headed if you follow these things. When you allow yourself to pause and find clarity, you not only become more productive but also in tune with your own self. So take a moment to breathe, to settle your mind and welcome the calm. Stillness is not just a break from the chaos. It's where you find your strength, your creativity, and your true self. So the next time you feel overwhelmed, remember the muddy water. Keep it down, let it settle, and find the stillness. Your mind and your soul will really thank you.